If you want to delete a shared drive in N8n, I'll show you the quickest way to do it step by step. This is a simple workflow action, and once you know where to find it, you can set it up in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. Make sure you are in the correct automation before you make any changes, because this action will affect the drive you select. Once your workflow is open, look at the Nodes panel. This is where you add new actions and services to your workflow. From the Nodes panel, choose Google Drive. You can either search for it or scroll until you find it. Click it to add the Google Drive node to your workflow canvas. After the node is added, open its operation settings. Now choose Delete Shared Drive. This is the specific action you need if your goal is to remove a shared drive. Once you select it, the configuration options will appear. This is where you tell N8n exactly what should be deleted. Next, configure what to delete. Select the shared drive you want to remove by using the available fields in the node. Double check the drive details before running the workflow, because this action is meant to delete the shared drive you specify. Make sure everything is set correctly, then save your workflow. Once that is done, you're ready to run the node and delete the shared drive through N8n. That's all there is to it. You opened the workflow, added Google Drive, selected Delete Shared Drive, and configured what to delete. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick N8n automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.